Welcome to our channel. If you need comprehensive guidance on connecting your Apple TV to a wireless network, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful Wi-Fi setup. Step 1. Ensure your Apple TV is properly connected to power and your television is turned on. Verify your Wi-Fi router is operational. Step 2. Turn on your Apple TV using the Siri remote. Wait for the device to fully boot to the home screen. Step 3. Using the Siri remote, navigate to and select the Settings app, which appears as a gear icon on the home screen. Step 4. In the Settings menu, scroll down using the remote's touchpad and select Network. Step 5. Choose Wi-Fi from the network connection options. Your Apple TV will begin scanning for available wireless networks in range. Step 6. Wait for your network to appear in the list, then select it by clicking the touchpad on your remote. Step 7. Using the on-screen keyboard, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password character by character. Use the delete key if you make errors. Step 8. After entering the password, select Done or Submit. The Apple TV will connect to your network. A checkmark indicates success. Test by launching any streaming app to verify connectivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.